First open a TradingView platform and then choose Matic chart and 1 minute time frame. The strategy consists of 3 indicators. So without further ado, let's add the first indicator to the chart. So please click on the indicators right here and then type range filter. And add this range filter buy and sell indicator to your chart. Now you can see the indicator, which is a simple buy and sell indicator on your chart. For the next step, get access to its settings, and in the input section, the smoothing period should be set at 100. And then change the range multiplier to 10. Then in the style section, get rid of bar color, high target range, and low target range. Now we've done to set the range filter indicator. So when a buy signal appears on the chart by the range filter indicator and the price action is above the range filter indicator and the indicator is green, we have a valid buy signal. And whenever a sell signal appears on the chart by the range filter indicator, the price action is below the indicator and the indicator line color is red, we have a valid sell signal. Now I'm going to show you some examples on Forex market. Check out Euro USD 4-hour time frame. Alright then, now it's time to add our second indicator. So please click on the indicators again, and in the indicators menu, search for sub-hedge and add this sub-hedge gauge trend signal to your chart. Now access to sub-hedge indicator settings, and in the inputs menu, set the fast length to 1, the slow length to 12, and the higher time frame to 240. So first now let me explain how the color of these indicators means. So whenever the color of the sub-hedge indicator is red, it means that we only take sell signals. And whenever the color is green, only buy signals are valid. So now let's get into the chart. This indicator can help us to filter out false signals during the range market. Check out the chart here. The market is moving sideways and some signals are printed on the chart by the range filter indicator. As you see, this short signal is not valid because the color of the sub-hedge indicator is green. And this long signal is also not confirmed because when the sub-hedge indicator is red, we only take sell signals. So this sub-hedge indicator works absolutely great. Check out the sell signal. This signal is valid because it is confirmed with the sub-hedge indicator. And this buy signal is also valid because the sub-hedge indicator is green, so it is confirmed. Now it's time to add our trend directional indicator to the chart. So for that, click on the indicators and search for trauma. And add trend regularity adaptive moving average by Lux Algo to the chart. For the next step, access to its settings. And change the length to 200. And in the style tab, change the color of the indicator. So for a long signal to be valid, we need a valid buy signal by the range filter indicator. And for the confirmation, the sub-hedge indicator should be green. And to trade with the trend direction of the market, the price action should be above the trauma indicator. So this buy signal is valid. And we can put our buy order at the close price of the candle. You can set your stop loss just underneath the trauma line. Or if the trauma line is too close or too far from the entry price, you can set your stop loss slightly below the recent swing low and set the target to 2 times greater than the risk. And exactly opposite is true for a short signal. So for a short signal to be valid, we need a valid sell signal by the range filter indicator. And for the confirmation, the sub-hedge indicator should be red. And to trade with the trend direction of the market, the price action should be below the trauma line. So this sell signal is valid, and we can put our sell order at the close price of the trigger candlestick. And for the next step, set your stop loss just above the trauma line, or you can set it just above the recent swing high. And the target for this strategy would be 2 times greater than the stop loss. Now you know how to trade with this strategy. So let's do our backtesting for 100 trades. I did the backtesting on Matic 1 minute time frame for 100 trades, and here's the result. The win rate of our strategy was 79%, and the backtesting took 8 weeks, and we made 365% profit during the backtesting, which is absolutely amazing. So I highly recommend this strategy. But to get to know my best trading strategies, you need to check out this video.